How to create through hole pad or through hole pin in Allegro. Just open pad editor, select units as per your datasheet, start, select through hole. Here pad size you have to select circle, square or oblong, whatever kind of pad you prefer. I'm selecting circle. In drill you have to select your drill type and finished diameter. I'm selecting one. Okay. Tolerance you can select as per your requirement that is given in datasheet, or you can keep 00 also, not an issue. But always try to give the tolerance as per our datasheet. Here you have to select selected plated or slot. So already selected plated. Secondary drill is the back drill. So we don't have any secondary drill. Just leave it. Drill figure you can use as per your requirement, as per your wish, or you can keep it open also. Drill offset. This is your position, a 00 position, and when you want to shift from the 00, that is offset. So I'm not going to use offset option. Usually when you do, your hole is shifted from its original position. Okay, but just leave it. Design layer, begin, default and end layer. So I'm keeping pad size 1.A5. Okay, inner you can keep little smaller, but you can keep same also. I always prefer little bit smaller, 1.5, 1.4, 1.4. Thermal, of course, little bit smaller is always preferred for inner layer. Anti-pad, keep little bit bigger. This is always to avoid copper plane. That means up to 1.8 mm there won't be any copper plane in inner layer. Keep out, we always keep for any mechanical pin, especially mounting hole. Okay, now you want to save it, just go. So I'm here saving in PC footprint. This location you have to put into library path in Allegro. So always please save your pad here only. So how we give name? So always we prefer the shape of pad. It is circle. See the size of pad 1.5 and hole 100. That means 1.00. So I'm keeping it. Already one is created. So you can overwrite or try to avoid overwrite since I have created already. This one I'm just saving it. It will ask if you want to replace it. Yes, that's how we can create through hole pin in Allegro. It is taking a little bit time since asking for it, like message given not responding. Okay, okay, that's how you can create any through hole pin.